In today's video of Mabet Travels, it is our day 1 of our Amazon adventure.
Excited ka ba?
Yes! We did a 4-day cruise to the heart of the Amazon rainforest.
Jules!
We visited one of the Amazon tribes and tracked for nocturnal animals. I'm Dr. Mabeth Danga, a board-certified dermatologist in the Philippines. Although being a dermatologist is my profession, exploring new places is my passion. My channel is all about inspiring solo travelers, most especially women, who are hesitant and afraid to travel alone. I hope my channel will inspire you to pack your bags and see the world. If you found my channel entertaining and inspiring, I would really appreciate it if you can hit like and subscribe. This is Mabet Travels, and welcome to my channel. Our Amazon adventure starts at Tropical Executive Beach Hotel, our departure point. To avoid missing our cruise, we arrived in Manaus, the capital city of the Amazon, a day earlier.
Jules, excited ka ba?
Yes! We were briefed on a few reminders before we board our boat, which will be our home for the next 4 days.
Yun na, the red bag. That's my bag.
These small boats are called Zodiacs, our excursion boat that we will use to navigate around the Amazon. Wearing our life jackets is a must every time we do our excursions. Finally, we have arrived. It looks like Julie is doing the happy dance, but actually, we need to do it to clean off the sand from her shoes. Siyempre, ako rin, di magpapatalo. Mag-happy dance rin ako. Who can't resist a welcome drink? Guyabano and guava juice, anyone? Siyempre, selfie muna! Before we go to our respective cabins, we were briefed on what we need to expect and what is expected of us.
Salud. Okay, this is the room for 3 nights. Oh, wow! Julian Lee! We have a ref. We have a balcony outside. And it's locked. And it's open. Oh my god. We have hot shower. We have hot shower and cold. Yahoo! Susukapal ka?
Our first snack of the day, vegetable moqueca, a must-try.
Oh. Oh, it's the same. I think it's the fish soup.
No, it's a vegetables.
Ah, vegetables.
Are you vegetarians?
No, we're carnivorous. How's your soup, Jules? Good. Really hot, no? Look at the steam. Hot? Nice.
After our hearty snack, we looked around the boat. This boat even has a jacuzzi. Shucks, I doubt we'll swim in that water. Jules is looking at a couple who is having their own pictorial. Nainggit siya at bumaya pa. For our first itinerary for the day, we visited one of the Amazon tribes. This is Roberto, our handsome Portuguese boatman. And Aljane, our Amazon naturalist guide. They have been doing this excursion for more than 15 years.
Ayan na si Madam. Thank you.
here, Aljane is explaining to us the origins of the tribal people in the Amazon. Scientific evidences have shown that they descended from the Mongols who had crossed land bridges hundreds of years ago.
Comunidade visitante,
Their community
primeiramente sejam muito bem-vindos
Welcome.
aqui na nossa comunidade indígena.
in our native.
Since we are their guests, they have prepared a small presentation for us, a glimpse of their culture. They even encourage us to dance with them. Namoblema tuloy si Julie kasi ayaw niya sumayaw.
Saan si Julie? Ayaw. Ikaw na.
Ako na lang ang sumama, dakilang sacrificial lamb. Turns out it was really fun, something to be remembered. We got a chance to see some of their accommodations. They even have a solar panel here. Siyempre, kahit sa Amazon, tuloy ang shopping ni Miss Julie Lim.
Ito 150 na to. 150. No, yung ano nila. Oo. Ito piranha dito.
Real? Arara original, arara original.
Piranha teeth?
Dente de piranha, esse é escama de peixe pirarucu, isso, esse do cuiucuiu, espora do cuiucuiu, esses escama de peixe pirarucu.
Piranha fish.
Original.
Ito na po si Madam Julie Lim. Talagang ay akay-akay pa. Okay, bye-bye. Alis na kami.
For safety reasons, we need to disinfect every time we enter and leave the boat.
So this is our itinerary for today. We finished this one. Our next would be dinner at 7 o'clock. And then we have a night boat trip at 20:15. Okay ka ba doon? Yes. Let's go.
Finally, it's time for dinner. I'm so hungry! In this map, we are now at this point in the Amazon rainforest. For tonight, we will park our boat at this location. Getting ready for our first night safari. As always, life jacket is a must every time we ride the Zodiacs. Doing a night safari is very challenging. It's pitch dark and you really need a good eye in spotting these nocturnal animals. It is very important to have a good guide who is very knowledgeable and who has been doing this for several years. My first time to see a caiman. Do you see the two eyes peeking from the water? This bird is just calmly sitting on the branch watching us. If watching my videos has inspired you to travel, it will mean a lot to me if you can hit like and subscribe. And do watch out for my next vlog, our day 2 of our Amazon rainforest adventure. We'll be hunting for the Toko-Tucan bird and learning how to survive in the Amazon. And join us as we swim in the Amazon River with the piranhas. Until next time, bye!